That really does a number on my back. Okay, we are good to go now. I know these beans are soft now.
Hey, we found this dead body of a female and we need your DNA to match it to see if it's your, biological daughter.
Good morning. Sunday after church. I'm making this right here. The minestrone soup mix. It calls for bacon or ham, but I'm not doing that. I'm just not going to put any meat in there. It calls for beef broth. I got vegetable broth. So yeah, we'll make this now. All right, let's do a little unboxing while the soup is cooking. I'm about to go wash my hair, but I ordered these sandals from Nordstrom because, yeah, I need another pair of sandals, right? I really don't, but oh, my battery's about to die. Okay, let me hurry up and do this. I got 4 minutes left on my battery. All right, Born. Just regular. My other, oh, they seem like they've been worn. Look right there. The bottom doesn't look like it though. But anyway, just some regular little brown sandals. Nothing spectacular, but just something that will get me, through my summer. I like Born. I like the Born brand. I really like the leather on them. Yeah, they're really good. Okay, so that's it. Let me charge this battery so I can come back and talk to y'all. But they are a size 7. They're really cute. And they fit. Oh, it must be 3 minutes. It's 3 minutes left on my, my drive. They fit well too. So there you go. All right. That really does a number on my back. Leaning over like that. Okay, let's go upstairs. Okay, this has been simmering for like an hour. The beans are getting a little softer, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the tomatoes. Let me see, add tomatoes. They call for Brussels sprouts. There's shredded cabbage, but I got kale. Cover and cook for 20 minutes. Add pasta. You know what? Let me let this simmer a little bit more and then I'll do all that in a minute. I got makeup all under my eyes from washing my hair. But anyway, what I was saying was that that does a number on you. Me leaning over the kitchen sink, it does a number on my back. Ouch. That's fine. That's whatever. There's a hot yoga class down the street today at 5 o'clock. It's like 2 o'clock right now. It's like 1:38 right now. So anyway, there's a hot yoga class down the street. And they have a $5 yoga class. I've been to this yoga studio before. Love it.
If I could afford to go on a regular, I would, but that would probably be like $200 or $300 a month, I think, that I don't have right now. Right now, I don't have it. But anyway, they're doing like a little $5 class at 5 o'clock. And thinking about going. I'm thinking about going because number one, my hair would dry really quickly. And then number two, I really do like yoga. I really like yoga, so we'll see. I still got time to think about it. When I looked online, because you know, you have to book through the Mind Body app or whatever. When I looked online a minute ago, it was only like 4 spots that were booked out of, it's a total of 30 people that can be in the class. So I feel like I would have time to go if I still wanted to go, because I just think at 5 o'clock on a Sunday, people are probably like, I'm trying to get ready for church. I mean, not church, for the work week. I don't have time to go. Anyway, it would be a great opportunity for me to go to get some yoga, move my body, and to also let my hair dry, because it be hot. It is so hot in there. If you haven't done hot yoga, give it a try. You'll probably love it. Nice sweat, like getting the, you know what, I need to go. I'm gonna go. As soon as I start thinking about the sweat and like getting the toxins out of your body, that's what I need. I don't necessarily care that I'll have just washed my hair, because it'll be braided up and it's not like my hair will get dirty or anything. Like it's whatever. So I might go do that today. Okay, let's braid my hair. I've told y'all before, but my favorite part about braiding my hair, braiding it up, is me watching my YouTube videos. So right now I'm watching all the fashion girlies at New York Fashion Week. I like, you guys, if you don't know them, then you should know them if you're a fashion girly. So Janae Naylor, who used to be High Low Lux, her, Politics and Fashion, Karen Britchick, and Carolyn Gray. Those are some of my favorites. So of course Fashion Week was, I guess it was last week, and they're all putting out their videos. So that's what I'll be watching while I do my hair. So I'm gonna turn that on right now and braid up this hair. I'll be done pretty quickly here. Oh my. Okay, let me get to it.
But also like simple, like there were like crazy pieces, but it was mostly like simple silhouettes. So yeah, and then we didn't make it to Christian Siriano. Everything was just running so late.
I thought I was recording. Okay, here we go. So we are done. You guys see this hairstyle. Now I'm like, remember how I was like, I want to go to yoga? That just changed. 30 minutes later, I'm like, I don't know if I'm gonna go. I feel tired. I should just sit down. I gotta go to work tomorrow. No, we'll see. What time is it right now? It's 2:17. So when I talked to you guys, it was 1:38. Already done. I still got time to think about it, so we'll see. What else am I gonna do? I'm gonna put some I'm going to put some black castor oil on my edges. I've still been using this MSM and rosemary. This is from, what is it from? What's the name of that company? God, I can't see on there. Oh, it's gonna kill me now. Shoot. It's, shoot, I forgot the name of the company. Y'all know them. They're in Ulta. Okay, I'll have to put it up on the screen. I forgot. Anyway, this I'm using 3 times a week. So I use it Monday, Wednesday, and Friday to try to help my edges. I don't know if it's helped or not. I still gotta, the jury's still out on that one. Commit Biologics, that's it, Commit Biologics. So, okay, this side is pretty good, but this side has never been that bad. It's always been this side over here. But we'll just put a little Jamaican black castor oil over here so that we can help it out. All right, let's go check on the soup because I can smell it.
Okay, we are good to go now. I know these beans are soft now. Oh yeah, they're good. Okay, now it says to add the tomatoes. The pasta's last. So add the tomatoes and the kale and cook for 20 minutes. All right, now we're gonna pour the noodles in. And it says to cook uncovered for 10 minutes. So, put that in there. All right, set my timer for 10 minutes, let that cook. The soup turned out lovely. I did have to add some more like seasonings to it, like onion, garlic salt, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, all of that, but it is just lovely. The noodles are a great touch. Oh my gosh, it is so good. I'm actually, this will be my lunch for the week, but I think I'm gonna eat some now. Hi you guys, it's Monday and I feel like I got a lot of stuff to do. So I am going to write, oh, where is it? I got my little to-do list. It's a whole pad that I keep under my desk. It says the daily plan. I gotta write a to-do list today because I got a lot to do. I got to wrap up some IEP stuff. I need to contact some parents. I need to lesson plan. I'll be going to a training this week, so I gotta make sub plans. And what else do I gotta do, like some personal 403B stuff, like send some documents out. Is that it? It seems like a lot, but maybe that's it. Once I write it down, I kind of realize it's not that much and it'll all get taken care of today. After work, I got to go to the tailor and pick up the pants that I tailored. After work, I might want to make some cookies. After work, I need to shoot some TikToks. And yeah, this morning, did not want to do anything. Just walked on the treadmill for like 11 minutes and I felt so much better. So I'm glad that I did that. Like emotionally, I was like, oh, it's Monday. I don't want to get up. But I got on the treadmill for 11 minutes and I felt like I instantly felt better. Yesterday on Netflix, I watched this documentary called Into the Fire. This lady, she gave her daughter up for adoption because she had her as a teenage mom, couldn't take care of her. And then she gets contacted years later saying, hey, we found this dead body of a female and we need your DNA to match it to see if it's your, you know, biological daughter that you gave up for adoption. It's a journey. It was like 2 hours. It was probably a little more than 2 hours, but it was so good, but it was so disturbing. It was so disturbing and it's very sad. But if you're into like documentaries, crime, murder, which sounds horrible,
But if you're into that, watch that. Into the Fire on Netflix. It's really good. I think it said Charlize Theron was one of the producers or whatever. But I watched that. I didn't go to yoga. Remember I said I didn't feel like going to yoga? And I didn't. It's all good though. Okay. All right. We'll see you guys later.